Okay, let's look at number 37. You got a ship, and it's 45 miles east and 30 miles south of port. Let me just draw like a little, it just helps to go ahead and do this. Here's port right here. Port is, I'll call it P, okay? If it is 45 miles east, as you're going to go out east 45, put a little dotted line here, so that's 45, and 30 miles south of port. So we go south 30 miles, okay? So if I've got a right triangle right here, and these are the sides of it, I'll have a right angle right here. The captain wants to sail directly to port, so ship's down here, he wants to sail here, okay? What bearing should be taken, okay? Really, if you think about it, I could talk about this bearing. If we measure from the north-south line, I could talk about that being south east, like so many degrees south east, south so many degrees east or something is how I could word it. If I could find out what this angle right here is, I'll put a dot on it. If I could find out that angle, then that's going to help me a lot. I'm going to have to, well, there's I guess a couple ways I could do this. Let me find that angle first, then we'll talk about what we could do with it. If I look at this right triangle, I have the opposite side and the adjacent side, so I could say, well, the tangent of that angle is, opposite is 45 and adjacent is 30. Let me see if I can get that angle. Okay, if you stick that in your calculator, that ends up being about, you're just going to do the arc tangent on that, 56.31 degrees, okay? So here's the ship, here's the port. Maybe we make another set of axes here. I'll make a yellow one. So let's say it's here. If I want the ship to go directly to port, and I marked port with part P, it needs to go 56, well, let me write it in a different color, 56.31 degrees. Now that would be, that's this angle right here. That is, it would be heading northwest. I would say that is north, and then you go north and you go 56 point, can't write today, 56.31 degrees west. That's all you would do on that one.